Mama wakwaba aha eye GCN page so midin de adwoa searching ene ni dey kan ya wo de ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia be one so we be notification ene sa ni news e be tun bia wo be bi ati ana sa wo be bi ahwe e wo GCN page ha IGP George Ekufu Dampare about abekasa afa eye ensema ekoso e wo Nkoranza youth no omo ani abriye papa omo ye demonstration e wo hwanya asem keto akra omo eche say Albert eye police fo be pick ni say omo koye no investigation afofia nto ata ode afime no omo seek justice de amano na eno na ora IGP Dampare out abeka say Nkoranza youth moma na mo akoma ento mo yem na ba bia embra no de bia ode beto na monso mo akoma atomo yem na adofo ensem no emu enchiremu ni enche bia na ebeto odwa se wode wani echiremu ewo Nkoranza abranti bia wo fe no Albert eye police fo ebe pk no so mo kwakoye no investigation na investigation ni mo no Albert entimi ansanso amba out bio Nkoranza youth omo ani abre papa titiru pa eye Albert ni maame o kire se bebia ne ba no akwakoshe bia na se nipa bonefo a waku ne ba no esese embra ene no edia ene enya asem keto akra ewo Nkoranza na eno na IGP Dampare out o kire se ensem na ekoso no efa Ghana police service no ho yi papa enti no ordinary ebesi fem na wahwehwem be bia embra de bia ode beto na bibia ye pepepe enti Nkoranza fo monka mo akoma emfa entumu yem na yenti ensem a ekoso ewo abra newspaper a report and some IGP Dampare ede etudwa no
I say Ghana Police Service George Ekufu Dampare Dr. George Ekufu Dampare Dampi enye ose adwobreo ensa de be dan ensa wom Nkoranza asem no ose adwobreo na mimi mom de me posi ni a me di ne ho adanse a memfere na me nsuro baako ene Dampare Dr. George Ekufu Dampare me say Kenya BC or Ghana Police Service mu na yenta wo mo achi. Yes, there are bad nuts. Why not? Omo ye nipa ide bad nuts ebebem. But o penite say Dampare edi wani mu asem ni si a ontena so na obetu ho anamo a that gives you a lot of confidence say. Sa pani no a wodi animu no asem no ba obeye de sese oye. Enti me de say Nkoranza man mutie anopa ya de meka ne say se Dampare so atu ne nasi asem so amude munya abotre ono debi Dampare so obeka ta bonfo sem so debi obeye de sese oye to de moma yema wo mo ebre ena no sa chief supu me am name Fred Asaremensa ewo amasama if you kwasa bre no kra me Fred chief supu na yaka ne sen na sabre na ne ma me da fom ena me se chief hint bi abo chale say was sa was oh chief we concrete pa was ya we sure me say why not chief we dey follow up na wa obema me feedback hey asem ya me ne to papa yanim bafo anadwo no a me frɛ papa be 7:30 there about ebo anopa 8 na me manya feedback say case na me report man no wa solve case ne simple ama say be bia ta din sa ne yepe no ohun police for e bi ye adwuma amani say opre ACP kodwa sante no omo ye adwuma den a nipa de ubenya azekudo no mbisa no ma be frem ye ba fa ne sa enti IGP say Nkoranza asem no watu ne na asi so a mo de mumie ma no bre na ye hwe de obeye wanya mia na mbra pani no but mesa ba betena ka se dampi wo hye ye bose Nkoranza asem no obeye wantumi anye dampi aden eno so de ne bisa anye den eno no aso wote ase obaka se bro nam de awona wie enti wo de mumie nya bro no obeye informer the democrat and the kram yen informer the democrat say Ashanti delegates Wamo aka kire party for no empanyfo no montran se na munjaye ne ento yaba munjaye na yento yaba enti munjaye aba no obia meye debi ye bi ni se na no Eastern region for nso ani bere yes hwe wamon trans mo obi anfo obi mehwe wo kon wamon trans da say as obi ensi fom ya ma ampre no dey abatum yes Jeff Konadu was one enko biom subruku se hwe me.
Albert was picked up by the police on the 25th of last month. They said the police commander have asked them to come and pick up Albert for an investigation. He was taken to the police station at 2 a.m. The mother followed up to the police station. Then the mother left when they were writing Albert's statement. When she came back by 4 or 5 a.m., Albert was not in that police station, and she said, "Where is Albert?" They said Albert has been sent to Tichman police station. So she did a follow-up to Tichman police station, and when she got to Tichman police station, she was given another direction that she has to go to Tiobodon police station. She went there, Albert was not there. She was asked to go to another police station, another one, and then to Kintampo police station. Albert was nowhere to be found. Eventually, she has to come back, do a follow-up again. For 2-3 weeks, almost 3 weeks, we've been looking around trying to get Albert where he is. And eventually, last Friday, we were told that Albert was shot in a gun battle. Albert, who had no gun in his hand, he had no knife, nothing in his hand, sleeping on his bed, managed to have a gun battle with the police. So Albert was shot and killed. On that same day, the morning he was picked up. So I see it as a target killing. They targeted the young man, picked him up, went and shoot him dead. What I need to do is to seek justice for Albert, meaning we have to make sure those who killed Albert are brought into booths. They have to be criminally prosecuted. I would prefer an independent body to investigate this, make sure we know what happened, the true story of this thing. We need dignity of Albert. He's no more, but they can't just say Albert died as a result of robbery or whatsoever. We needed Albert to defend himself. We needed Albert to tell the public and everybody, myself, the truth about the whole incident. We did not need just the police to narrate or fabricate a story for us. So we need Albert to explain what actually transpired. And if there's anything, I think an independent inquiry will help us get to the bottom of the case. And this is what we're looking for. Somebody must pay for it. Somebody must pay for this. It's a murder case, and somebody needs to pay for it. We have actually petitioned the IGP, we have petitioned the Interior Minister, I have petitioned other bodies, Traj and other bodies, for us to be able to find the truth about the whole incident. You know, police is a club defending each other. So we need an independent body to be able to take care of that.